Children, seeds of some plants are used to make a oil. Oil is used for cooking purpose, and also we used to oiling our hair, isn't it, children? So examples are mustard, sunflower, groundnut and coconut. Using the seeds they will make a oil. See, like this from the plants, oils also we are getting from the plants, and also we are getting beverages from the plants. So coffee, tea and juices are called beverages. How we will use coffee, children? See, by using this coffee beans we can make a powder. So using that powder we can make a coffee, and daily we used to drink this coffee and tea, isn't it, children? Yes. And also for tea they will use tea leaf for a make a tea, isn't it? Okay. And also we are getting juices from the plants. For use to make a juices we used to use some fruits. Example, using this lemon we can make a sherbet, and also for juices we can use mango and some other fruits we are using to make a juices, isn't it, children? Yes. And also do you all like chocolates, isn't it, children? So how they will prepare chocolates? Using this cocoa plant seeds they will make a chocolates. Understood? Okay. Next, jam. You all like jam, isn't it? With the chapati and bread you used to use this jam. So for jam also they will, for making a jam they will use some of the flowers. Mainly they will use rose flower for make a jam. Understood? Okay. From the plants not only we are getting some products, other uses also is there from the plants. Mainly from the plants we are getting fibers such as cotton and jute. Okay. From the cotton plant we are getting cotton. Using this cotton we can make cotton cloths. Using this cotton we can make cotton cloths. From the jute plant we are getting jute. So using this we can make jute products. Which are the jute products? These carry bags, shoes, carry bags. We can using this jute we can make jute products, isn't it? Okay. And also from the plants we are getting medicines. We are getting medicines. So some of the plants giving some medicines. Which are the medicines plants? Examples, clove. You all know this clove. This some of the people will use to, some of the people will suffering from toothache. For that they will use to this clove for treat a toothache. Okay, they will use this clove to treat toothache. And also neem. You all know this neem, isn't it? Some of the people will have a habit, so they will dip these leaves in the hot water and they will take a bath, because they will believe that so it will be very healthy. And also we used to eat in one particular festival, that is Yugadi, isn't it? We used to eat this neem leaf and jaggery with jaggery for in a particular festival, that is Yugadi festival, isn't it? It is very healthy for our body. So we used to use this neem and clove as a medicines. Understood, children? And also children, from the plants we are getting soap. Directly we are getting a soap from the plants? No, some of the certain plants will give oils and juices kind of thing. Using the juices and oils we can make a soap. Understood? And also we are getting toothpaste, and also we are getting toothpaste, and also we are getting toothpaste we are getting from the plants. Understood? Certain plants will give juices of oily kind of things. Using that we can make soap and toothpaste. Understood? Okay, and also we are getting perfumes from the plants. Perfumes. Directly we are getting perfume from the plants? No. For prepare to make a perfumes, they will use some of the flowers such as jasmine and rose and lavender. These kinds of flower they will use make a perfumes, isn't it children? Yes, we used to if I want to buy a perfumes, we used to ask the flavor. So for flavor what they will use, they will use different kinds of flowers, isn't it? Yes. And also we used to visit marriage functions, birthday functions, and in occasionally we used to visit temples, isn't it? For attract the people, what they will do, they will decorate the stage, isn't it? For decoration, what they will use, they will use different kinds of flowers and leaves to attract the people. So this is a way the flower also very useful for us. Okay, and also using different kinds, different colors of flowers. Example, this rose, from rose we are getting different colors of roses. Using that roses we can make beautiful bouquet, isn't it? We can present to some function, birthday functions or marriage functions. We can give a bouquets. For make a bouquets, the people will use different colors of flowers. Mainly they will use roses are very attractive, so they will use these roses. Understood children? And also from the plants we are getting wood. From the plants we are getting wood, which are the trees, the oak, from oak tree, neem tree. Using these trees and all, we are getting wood. Why we will use wood? To make a furnitures. To make a furnitures we used to use wood. And also the people will use wood for to make a cart and boat. Where we will use cart and boat we will use on the water. So furnitures and cart, boat, they will use to make the people will use wood, isn't it children? Yes. To construct the new building, we need this windows, door, everything, isn't it? So for that, where we will get? Directly we are getting? No, we are getting from trees. So we are from the trees we are getting wood. Using that wood we can make furnitures. All the furnitures we can make. Look at the picture, we can see many kinds of furnitures here. And also from the plants we are getting dyes means henna plant, or you all know henna, mehendi plant. So that using that mehendi we can apply for head, and also we can apply for our hands. For designs we can apply to our hand, isn't it? So we can use it for dye. And also from the plants we are getting rubber. How we will get? Look at that picture. Directly we are getting rubber from the plants? No, we are getting certain liquid things, juices kind of thing. You can see that the bowl, there is one bowl. In that white color of oil is there, isn't it? Juice. That using that juices they will make a rubber and glue, isn't it? So they will make rubber from the plants. How they will make? Using certain plants juices and oily kind of thing, they will make a rubber and glue. And children, plants are very important for us. We should plant more plants. Okay, we should not cut the trees, because from the trees we are getting fresh air to breathe, because we are all human beings. Breathing is a feature of human living things. So for breathing what we need? We need air. So for that we need more trees. We should not cut the trees. Understood? We should not cut the trees. Trees will release oxygen to the environment to clean the air. So because these trees are very important for us, we should plant more trees. We should not cut the trees. We should plant more trees. Understood, children? Have you all understood the lesson? Okay. Thank you.